How many cough drops do you eat a day?
I usually do about 15 a stream.
You're eating cough drops like candy, or because you physically need them to not cough?
No, because like if I don't, like if I consistently do them every stream, my throat don't really get messed up like it does. So it kind of like a preventative measure, and these taste good.
Yeah, I remember I used to lose my, I don't know why. I used to lose my voice all the time from streaming, and now I don't anymore.
Oh,
think it's 'cause
I have a
stream
couple of
less.
theories why. Because
I wonder
you would
why,
lose
Joe.
your mind